I'm gonna show you this sexy party look for a girls' night out, and this is what it looks like. It's a little bit of purple and dark black, and also dark blue eyeshadows, and of course a liquid eyeliner. So yeah, definitely stick around if you want to see how I create this look. Stay tuned. So I've already applied my primer on my eyelid, and also I've applied some white eyeshadows from this palette, which is called TCW with the color workshop eyeshadows. They're not very good, but it's okay to use, let's say. So I applied this white color right here and also here in the inner corner of my eye. The next thing I'm gonna do is I will add this kind of purple color. It's very dark purple color. It's very nice. I will add it in the center of my eye. We'll start working from the center, from the middle. It's not very easy to do that. So just like so, packing it, because they're quite a powdery, so it's not very easy to work with them. So like so. So you see, hold them a little bit. Yeah. So this is done. The next step is we will take a small brush like this one, apply some MAC Fix Plus, but not too much. Wash off the excess. And add a little bit of those eyeshadows. They are a few shades darker than this color. Right here, my lower lash line. I'm sorry, I guess I'm moving too much, so you don't see what I'm actually doing. I apologize again. Then I will also add a little bit of this and this dark blue color. Don't be afraid to experiment, because the result will be quite nice. Like that, so they look alike, you know? That's the key. So we're finished, and then a little bit more of the purple, which I'm using from this Isadora palette. I will add it right here, so it's like a mixture of several colors. Oopsie, sorry, my mascara happens. So we are finished with this part. Then we will apply, and we'll take a brush like that, and we will apply dark eyeshadows, dark black color. I will apply this one and that one into my crease. Don't be afraid, it looks kind of messy, but we will blend it out with our fluffy brush, and once I'm finished, I'll be back. So I'm back and I've already blended out, and now I'm gonna add a little bit more of my purple color on the center of the lid, right here. I know it's kind of bright and it's very colorful, but we shouldn't forget that it's a party look and we want to have a sexy, nice look for a girls' night out. It's not like you will wear it every day to work or something. And then we're gonna blend it out. We will add some more here as well, just for them to look alike. And the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my black eyeliner, which is not liquid, it's like a simple crayon. It's from Clinique. I'm gonna put it on my waterline. See, it's so sharp. And right here as well. You want to make sure that you will fill in all the gaps between your lower lashes, so it doesn't look ridiculous. So yeah, the next thing I'm gonna apply a light color under my eyebrow bow. And I will take this light color from my Christian Dior palette and put it under my eyebrow and blend it out nicely. So yeah, that's basically almost done. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply my I think liquid eyeliner. This one is by L'Oreal, something super liner, black. Yeah, let's start it. I'm not very comfortable doing so. Try to be careful because it's not very easy, you know, because in most cases I mess up. Sorry, I have messed up a little bit with my liquid eyeliner, as always. I just didn't want to waste your time, so I cleaned it up a little bit with my wet tissue. Yeah, so basically all I have to do now is to apply mascara. Then I'm gonna use this L'Oreal's telescopic mascara, which is quite good for my eyelashes because it defines them, makes them longer. I wouldn't say that it makes them thicker, but definitely it definitely helps a lot. Just like so. Oops. And on my lower lashes. Oops. Now we are trying to see if our eyes are looking the same. and I will just apply a little bit of purple color here, fill in this gap, and here as well. Yes, so basically this is it. I've already applied my bronzer, this one by Lumina, and I've applied my Art Deco blusher, which is a number 16. And for your lips, you want to use something neutral, so I'm gonna use Dior's lip liner in beige color, or more in brown. Yeah. It's very nice neutral color. I'm gonna fill in, not too much, because I've already moisturized my lips with the Carmex, and this is a great thing, you know. Yeah. So there you go, you have your natural looking lips, and I'm gonna add some lip gloss, which is like a lip gloss without any color, because you already have bright eyes, so you don't need very bright lips. And you can just define your eyebrows with any eyebrow gel, because it's a night look and you want your eyes be in a very nice shape. You want your makeup to last longer. So basically this is it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.